my name's Tayloar Schultz. I'm a custom painter from Northern California. I've been working in a body shop my whole life. These three premium body fillers from USC are an amazing product. My personal favorite is the gold, which we're gonna demo today. We got a fender here that we repaired a little bit. We're just gonna do a fill, and we're just gonna go walk through the steps of sanding it and everything else. We're actually gonna finish it with some Icing Lite, which is an amazing finishing putty. It's always important to knead the hardener. So we let this dry for 15 to 20 minutes. What we're gonna do is we got some 150. We're just gonna rough it in with that, probably finish it with some 240, 320, and then apply some icing filler to that just to do the final. This stuff is nice. Look at that. So there it is. We fixed and repaired this dent. The foundation of any custom paint job, any repair, is what's underneath it. I've never had one issue with this product. My suggestion is going to your local jobber, just demoing out a gallon of it. You're not going to be disappointed whatsoever. My winning combination that I found is the gold and the Icing Lite is my personal favorite. You like that, didn't you? So it's both my personal favorite, and it's never been an issue. I've never had a comeback, never had anything happen. The sandability, the dry time, the time you spend on sanding, the time and money you spend on product, it's unmatched. So do yourself a favor, go to your local jobber, give it a shot.